Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about PhD research scholar positions, Department of Business and Management Science. This PhD position is available in NHH, Norwegian School of Economics in Norway. And we are going to take a look here. NNH is pleased to announce vacancies at the Department of Business and Management Science. Candidates admitted to PhD program will receive title of PhD Research Scholar. The Department of Business Management Science is responsible for specialization in NHH PhD program. The specialization has two tracks: Business Economics and Management Science. Start date will be August 2024 and you still have 2 months from that date until the last date. So you have 2 months to apply. Application requirements. General requirements: you should have certificate of Masters of Science and also include the transcript of grades. Certificate of Bachelor and other relevant certificate transcripts. If issuing authority of grades and degree does not use ECTS grading scale, please include an official description of the applied grading system. Statement of purpose describing your motivation to apply for this position, and tentative research project. Curriculum CV, list of publications if you have, and contact detail of two reference. These are the general requirements to apply for that position. Specific requirements: they have: the Department of Business and Management Science requires you to demonstrate both an adequate level of academic skills and adequate level of English proficiency. So you should have GRE specific requirements, or GMAT and IELTS or TOEFL. When applying, you are required to upload scanned copies of your unofficial test scores online portal before the deadline. If you are shortlisted, NNH will ask you to give us access to your official test scores without delay. You are waived from the GRE test if you hold qualifying master's degree from a Nordic institution. You are waived from IELTS if you are an English speaker. If you have qualifying master's degree from Nordic institution, or if you have qualifying master's degree where language of tuition was English. So if you have these two qualifications, then you don't need to provide the GRE and TOEFL or IELTS or PTE. Letter of recommendation may strengthen your application, but it is not mandatory. The referees should send the letter of recommendation in PDF format to that email before by latest 15th January. Application must be submitted through the Job.org online portal. To open the application, please click apply for this job. For English version, go to menu and translate it to English version. How you can apply? You can simply click here, apply now, and we'll come to the apply page. Apply for this position, and then you will log in as they have mentioned here. Job.org online portal, and then you can submit your application. I wish you best of luck, and kindly guys like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos, and I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.